Hello everyone and warm welcome to this session. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you the histogram equalization for the grayscale image. So for that purpose, we go to the editor window. We start with close all, clear and CLC. As my usual practice, I will be first of all mentioning a comment line to write the motive of this particular program. So this is a program to demonstrate the histogram equalization of an image here. So as we all know, the histogram is very important in digital image processing. It is a plot of frequency of occurrences of gray levels into the image. So first of all, we need the input image, and then we will access its corresponding histogram and we'll try to have equalization of the same or better visualization of the image data here. So very first of all, I will mention a comment to read the input image that is to be processed here. So read the input image here. So for that purpose, I will take a variable capital A. With the help of imread command, I am going to access the image data to it. So let us say, for example, we have lena.jpg, and after reading it, I will save this particular program with the name, let us say program_3.m will be the file extension. So getting back to the default view of the MATLAB, yes, the file name is here as well on the editor window. If I run it, you have a capital A as a variable in the workspace with the dimensions 256 by 256 of the data type uint8 for the lena.jpg. The display of the same I will do at the last here to show a comparison between the resultant images after histogram equalization. So after reading the image successfully here, now I will go for the equalization of the histogram here. So I just mention here histogram equalization. So for equalization of the histogram to the original image, the resultant image I will save with the variable capital B here. Now for equalization, there it is a simple MATLAB syntax that it is histeq, and inside the parenthesis we have to provide the input argument that it is the original image capital A here. Now after this, we will go for the display of the input and the output images along with the corresponding histograms here. So I just mention display of input and output. So here I will make the use of subplot here. Now I will make 2 columns, 2 rows, and the first cell will be accessed here. And for display purpose, I will make the use of imshow command if it is an image. So original image is holded by the variable capital A. Thereupon I provide a title. So this is original image here. By the next line, I will go for the next cell of this subplot. So it will be 2, 2, 2 here. Now in this cell, I will like to display the histogram of the original image before equalization here. So for display of the histogram here, the command is imhist. It is imhist here, and the input argument will be the original image capital A here. And this is what the title. So I write original histogram. So next to that, I will make the assignment to the next cell of the subplot 2, 2, 3. Hereupon I will like to show the histogram equalized image data. So image, resultant image here. So for that purpose, let us say this is imshow command, and the resultant image is holded up by the variable capital B here. So thereupon I provide a title, that is histogram equalized image, and this title should be there within a pair of single quotes inside a pair of parentheses here, and there is no requirement of suppressing the output here. We have to display it, that is why no semicolon at the end here. And lastly we will go for the fourth cell of this subplot, 2 comma 2 comma 4 here, and here we will like to have a display of the histogram of the resultant image for which equalization has been done here. So it will be done with the help of imhist command, and the input argument will be capital B here, and the corresponding title I just provide it. The title is equalized histogram. So this is what the programming we have done for showing the demonstration of histogram equalization for the grayscale image. I have saved the changes and running this particular program. Now as you can check the workspace here, in the workspace in the beginning we had only one variable capital A after reading the input image. Now we have the variable capital B as well, that is after the histogram equalization, as you can check in the next step here. Now as we get to the display of this particular programming here, you check the first cell. Here we have lena.jpg, the original image displayed, and this is what the original histogram here. Now after equalization process, the visualization of the original image is like this, whereas the equalized histogram is spanning the entire length of 0 to 255 gray levels, as this is the visualization of the image in the 8-bit environment here. So here of course the visualization has changed after histogram equalization to the original image, as you can check in the second row. Now if I change the input image, instead of having the lena.jpg, if I make the use of autumn.tif, let us see what is the effect after histogram equalization. And after all, demonstrating the image processing techniques are subject to the application and the image at hand. Whatever the technique for betterment of the image visualization will be there, that we will be selecting for the end application here. So here we have changed the image, and now we have run the particular program. So here you see the original image and the histogram equalized image. So for autumn.tif, you check after histogram equalization, the visualization is quite more clear and better as compared to the earlier one. So this was all about demonstrating the histogram equalization of the image in the MATLAB environment. Thank you.